How to direct message on Reddit. Welcome! In today's video, I'll show you how to send a direct message on Reddit. Whether you're new to the platform or just want to connect with someone privately, this is a quick and easy process. So let's get started. First, log into your Reddit account using your browser or the mobile app. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account you want to send the message from. Now, find the user you want to message. You can either search for their username in the search bar or just find them through a post or a comment. Once you're on their profile, look for the chat or message button, usually under their username and profile details. Click on the message button if you're on a browser or chat if you're on a mobile. A chat box will appear where you can type your message. And once you've written your message, click on send to deliver it. And the recipient will receive the message you just sent in a matter of just a few seconds. And that's it, you've successfully sent a direct message on Reddit. Don't forget to check out the video description for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching.